In this video, we will explore the production environment in Microsoft Business Central. The production environment is crucial for end users and the daily operations of a business. Microsoft Business Central is a cloud-based business management solution that helps businesses manage their finances, sales, and operations. It offers various environments, including the production environment. Business Central's production environment is the hub of daily operations and stores the business's actual data. Business Central provides various environments to cater to different purposes, such as development, testing, training, and exploring new features. The production environment is the core environment where businesses conduct their daily operations and make critical decisions. The primary purpose of the production environment is to enable end users to perform their daily tasks and ensure the smooth functioning of the business. The production environment stores the business's actual data, including customer records, inventory levels, and financial transactions. Access to the production environment is restricted to users with a Business Central license for a specific Microsoft Entra tenant. Unlike the production environment, sandbox environments are non-production environments designed for specific purposes such as development, testing, and training. Sandbox environments offer a safe space for developers and testers to make changes and conduct experiments without affecting the live business data. Sandbox environments are isolated from the production environment to prevent accidental changes or data loss. While sandbox environments provide flexibility, they are not intended for use in the same way as production environments and have limitations such as infrequent backups and lower performance. Each Business Central online subscription comes with one production environment and 3 sandbox environments by default. This allocation ensures that businesses have a dedicated production environment for daily operations and separate sandbox environments for development, testing, training, and exploration. Administrators can create additional environments if needed through the Business Central Administration Center. Understanding the production environment and its role in Business Central is critical for maintaining data integrity and ensuring efficient daily operations. By leveraging the production environment and sandbox environments effectively, businesses can streamline their processes, minimize risks, and drive growth. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe GOMS Tech Talks channel for more informative videos on Business Central.